In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong or an unknown network has occurred. So if you're facing these kind of errors over on Instagram, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store or App Store and make sure that your Instagram must be up to date, because sometimes the reason behind these errors is the Instagram update. So do kindly update the application. After updating the application, go and relaunch the application and most probably your problem will be fixed. So if you are still facing the same problem, the second thing you can do is to wait for it, because sometimes there are some technical issues in the Instagram server. So most probably the server didn't respond and you have to wait for it until they recover it, and after a few hours it will fix automatically. So all for today's video guys, I hope you have learned something new. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.